Well, hello and welcome back to a Kooky corner of YouTube. It's that time of the month again. It's Scrawlr box time. Scrawlr box is a monthly subscription or an art subscription box where you get a set of art supplies every month, and it's a mystery box, so you never know exactly what you're going to get. Usually it will be something lovely and everything will be coordinated so that you can complete a challenge that they give you every month. If you want to, you don't have to, but if you'd like to join in, you can complete the challenge with the things that are in the box. Everything in the box should be able to be used to create a piece of artwork. So let's get into it. Oh, I didn't quite come off in one, but hey, it's very heavy. I will say that it's quite a hefty one. Feels heavy. Okay, here we go. Lift you up. Oh, interesting. Okay. Let's take everything out, shall we? I'll take all the bits out. Kind of interesting, because I've not seen anything like this. I don't think. This is a new thing. Where to start? Boya crayons. Ooh. Okay. No rules, just start drawing. Sounds like right up my street, that, doesn't it? Colour stays on paper, not on hands. No fixative required. Resharpens as you draw. More material for longer life. Included colours: ivory beige, cinnabar red, turquoise blue, and Olympic bronze. Ooh, nice colours. Very interesting. I have never seen these before. This is a new thing. Okay, so what's in the package? It threw me for a minute because usually everything's inside the tissue, but obviously they're a little late with it this time, so maybe it's a little bit different. Oh, I've got an acrylic paint marker in black, always handy. I have got quite a few of those, but it's always a handy thing. We have got a Scrawlr box pencil. I've got a sour cherry fizzy chewy bar. Treat for later. And a sticker. Okay, so the sticker will come from the artwork. Yeah, there it is on the zine. Pop the tissue paper over there. Okay, so we have, now this is also new. Oh my gosh, 100 sheets of A5 newsprint paper. This looks cool. Ooh, nice thin newsprint. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this already. I'm excited. Oh, I'm doing a flippy flip. Yeah. Excited magpie womble. 100 sheets. There's plenty to go at, isn't it? Okay, so the artwork. Oh, this might fit in so well with Abstractuary. I'm feeling this. Let's have a look. This is Michaela Theophanopoulou. I don't know if I've butchered that. Theophanopoulou? Yeah. Michaela is an Athens-based independent artist and designer. Applied architect, a master's in applied design and architecture from Oxford School of Architecture. Ooh. I love this. This is awesome. Those are the deets, if you want to go and check her out. Right. Very cool. Let's have a look in the zine. This is a box 101. Okay. So this clever crayon has been designed for use in multiple angles for different and unique visual effects. Ooh, plan your lines before you dive head first into one line drawing and sketch out your composition first. Okay, I might just dive in anyway. Creating nice, striking marks with this juicy paint pen sits nicely on top of the crayons. Okay, that's interesting to know. Newsprint paper. Just in, this newsprint paper surface from Frisk is perfect for all sorts of scrawls. With 100 sheets, you have plenty to experiment with. That is very true. And the sweet treat is the blue raspberry fizz chew, which I'm looking forward to. A sticker. We have the sticker. So this is the artist. This is Michaela. So there's an interview with the artist in the zine. We have Scrawlr tips, so things to try. I'll be trying these out at some point. Can't say no during abstractory. Something nice to try. Ooh, I like this scratch it technique. Ooh. Oh, interesting. More tips. Something about building the artwork. I like this. I love this style. It's kind of like a continuous line. That might fit in very well with one of the prompts. Just saying. Here's the Scrawlr gallery. Let's see if there's anybody there I know. And yes, Claire96 Bell's name jumped straight out at me. Oh, how brilliant is that? Yes, yes, yes. Well done, Claire. Jean Bendel, yes. Oh, congratulations, Jean. Oh, we've got Uncle Frogface down at the bottom as well. Oh, so many good names, yes. Oh, this is lovely. Wow. So lots of people. That was with the dream catcher where I did that policeman owl. Okay, so top three. We had the Leah Cordy, we had Alexandra Nina Mould, and Alexandra Pasturzak. Hope I said that correctly. Beautiful pieces of artwork. The dream police owl didn't make it, but I am so rapt for everybody who's in there. Well done, Claire. Ah, ancient artifacts. I see your pun there, Scrawlrbox. So, oh, it's from one of the oldest civilizations. Yes, well, we know that. I'm going to have a read of this when I have my chew. I'm going to sit there, sticking my teeth together with the chew. Be your fault, Scrawlrbox, and I'm at the dentist. And the Scrawlrbox challenge for this month is everything flows. No new line is ever the same. This month's box is to challenge yourself to work with a continuous flow as inspired by our featured artist. Add your own twists and turns and fill between the lines. Overlap and connect your marks to form new shapes. Try shifting your perspective to transform what seemed like simple lines into something more spectacular. Right. Well, I'm going to have a think on this. I'm going to sit and snaffle my chew and read the magazine, and then I'll be back at some point with one of these, and hopefully it will match up with one of my prompts, so I could do it as my prompt day. Oh, I do like it when a plan comes together. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content here at Kooky Corner, then can you please consider doing a like of the video? So give me a thumbs, show me your thumbs, and if you are liking content in general here and you want to see more, then don't forget to subscribe. Also on that point, people who already think they are subscribed, can you just do a little checky check? Because YouTube's doing weird things where it's unsubscribing people, so if you think you're subscribed, just do me a little checky check. Thank you so much. I love to see you back here again very, very soon with something else. Bye for now.